Hello guys, my name is Timothy Mlewa Joseph and I welcome you to my YouTube channel where I teach mathematics. In this video, I am going to teach you the conversion of decimal number base to a number in base 10. So I have two examples in which I'm going to use to explain this to you in details. So please pay keen attention as you watch this video to the end. Thank you. The first example says convert 101.011 in base 2 to base 10 number. So we write our number 101.011. This is in base 2. Let's write it. And then we are going to use power expansion. So we give the power starting from 0 from the right to the left in the whole number parts. 1, 2, and then the decimal part, we are going to start from the left to the right now. But this number now, we're not going to start with 0. We are starting with a negative number. -1, -2, and then -3. This will be the powers. Okay. So we are going to have 1 times 2, the base is 2, raised to the power of 2, yes, plus 0 times 2, raised to the power of 1, plus 1 times 2, raised to the power of 0, and then we have plus 0 times 2 raised to the power of -1, plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of -2, and then plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of -3. Okay, so we have 1 times 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4, plus 0 times 2 raised to the power of 1 is 2, plus 1 times 1, anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. Then we have 0 times 2 raised to the power of -0 -1. So we take the reciprocal, we should have something like this, plus 1 times, we take the reciprocal of this to clear the negative sign, 1 over 2 to the power of 2, then plus 1 times 1 over 2 again to the power of 3 here. So let's write this clearly. Okay, so here we have 1 times 4 is 4, plus 0 times 2 is 0, plus 1 times 1 is 1. So this is the whole part. Then plus 0 times this is 0, of course. And then we have plus 1 times 1. So this is going to be 1 over 4 plus 1 over 8. And then the whole part, 4 plus 0 is 0, plus 1 is 5, and then plus this. So we see our 5 here, plus this now. So we are going to take the LCM of this. So let's take LCM. The LCM will simplify. It's going to be 8. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 8 divided by 8 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So we are now having 5 plus 3 over 8. Let's complete it here. So we have 5 plus 3 over 8. When we divide 3 by 8, we are going to have our 5 here, points. Okay, if you want, let's put it the plus sign. We're going to have 0.375. Then we can write 5.375 in what base? In base 10 now. So we have successfully converted this number which is in base 2 to this in base 10. This is how to do it. Very simple. So you can say this number is now 5.7 no, 375 in base 10. The second example says express 241.23, which is in base 8 in base 10. So the same method, we are going to use power expansion. Okay. So we have 241.23 in base 8. So we introduce the power again. In the whole part, we are starting from right to the left, 0, 1, 2, and then in the decimal part, we are going to start from left to right, but with negative power, -1, and then -2 here. So here, our base is 8, so we're going to say 2 times 8 raised to the power of 2 plus 4 times 8 raised to the power of 1, then plus 1 times 8 raised to the power of 0, yes, plus 2 times 8 raised to the power of -1, then plus 3 times 8 raised to the power of -2. Okay, so let's simplify. 2 times 8 squared is 64. You write it down. Plus 4 times 8 raised to the power of 1 is just 8. First, we write this first. Let's follow the steps. 1 times 8 raised to the power of 0 is 1. Anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. Then plus, we have 2. Remember, to play with this negative sign, so we say 2 times 1 raised to the power of 1 over this, something like this, then plus 3 times 1 over 8 squared. Yes. So we have 2 times 64, we have 128, 128. Then we have 4 times 8 is 32, plus 1 times 1 is 1. Then we have plus 2 times this, we should have 2 over 8, plus 3 times this, we should have 3 over 64, something like this. Yes. Then let's add the whole parts. 128 plus 32, 32. So we should have, this is 128 plus 32. So we are having 0, 6, 1, then plus this one. So we are having 161. Yes. 161 plus this. So we take the LCM again. The LCM will be 64. 64 divided by 8 is 8 times, and then 8 times 2 is 16, plus 64 into 64 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. So we have 161 plus 19 divided by 64. Yes. Now, when we divide 19 by 64, let's divide 19 by 64. So 19 divided by 64, we are going to have 1 plus 0.297. Yes. So we divide 19 by 64. This is the value. And then we have 161 plus 0.297. So we can say that our answer is now going to be 161.297 in what base? In base 10. So we have successfully converted this number to a number in base 10. So it is very simple to do. So this is where we are going to stop. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Please do like this video, make comments, and subscribe to my channel. And don't also forget to turn on the notification bell so I can receive notification of my new lesson. Thank you. Goodbye.